In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Xero organization. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to cancel an organization safely and confidently. Before we start, a quick note on access and impact. You'll need the right permissions, typically a subscriber or someone with organization level admin rights, to cancel an organization. Deleting or canceling an organization is serious. It affects billing and your ability to access data. If you need records for compliance or reporting, download or export the reports you'll need first. Keep this video handy and move carefully so you only affect the organization you intend to remove. Once you're signed into Xero, look to the very top of the screen. Click your name in the header. That opens your account menu, which is where Xero groups profile and account-wide options. If you don't see your name, make sure you're not in full screen mode in your browser and that you're on a standard Xero page rather than a pop-up window. From that menu, click My Xero. This takes you to the account dashboard that lists all the organizations you can manage under your login. Give the page a moment to load, then locate the specific organization you plan to remove. Take a second to double check the organization name so you don't cancel the wrong one, especially if you manage multiple entities with similar names. Next, click Cancel for that organization. This is the action that begins the cancellation process. Xero may ask you to confirm that you understand what will happen next. Read any on-screen notes so you know whether access ends immediately or at the end of the current billing period. If you have outstanding invoices, bank feeds, or integrations, make a note of anything you might want to tidy up before finalizing. When you're ready, click Confirm Cancellation. This is your final approval. After you confirm, Xero records the cancellation and shows you a confirmation message. Depending on your account settings, you might also receive a confirmation email. If the organization still appears in your list, refresh the page. It may remain visible until the change fully updates or until the current period ends. That's the complete process. To recap, open your account menu by clicking your name, go to My Xero, choose Cancel for the correct organization, and then click Confirm Cancellation. Move slowly, export any data you need beforehand, and only proceed when you're sure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently clean up your Xero organizations.